Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save an offer and add it to your favorites on the PeoplePerHour application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the Explore button down below, which is the first option, and then select an offer or a service that you are interested in. Tap on it to check it out, and after checking it out, you should click on this heart icon that you can find here at the top of the screen. So once the heart icon is pink, then it means that you have added it to your favorites. So as you go back to the previous section and tap on the saved button down below, which is the last option, you're going to find all of the offers that you have added to this section. If you want to get rid of any of the offers, all you have to do is clicking on the heart icon, and as you can see, it has been removed from your list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.